Hi everyone and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a really simple craft for the holidays, making ribbon flowers. This is an activity that I've been doing with my mom since I was a little kid and she did with her mom way back. So it's a very traditional way of making the little flowers and rosettes that you can use when you're wrapping your Christmas presents. It's a great way to do it rather than buying those ones with the stickies on the back because it helps to build different skills with your kids, crafting skills, fine motor skills, all sorts of different things. And they're beautiful. And they've got these beautiful long ribbons that are still there, so you can use those to wrap around the present. And then you end up with these beautiful little florets. So we're gonna make one right now. They're super fast and easy. All you need is some ribbon. I've got some ribbon here from the dollar store, some scissors, and a little bit of tape, or we're using a pipe cleaner. You could use a little bit of wire, and it's just to secure the flower once you're finished. So we're going to start. The amount of ribbon you use, it doesn't really matter. So I usually take a fairly long length because I'd like a fairly big floret, and I like to have a lot of extra ribbon to wrap around my present when I'm done. But what you do want to look for is you want to look for a ribbon that's got like a smooth finish. If I did the one here, and you'll notice this one, it has that little bit of a velvety finish, it makes it a lot harder. So for your kids, especially when they're first starting, you don't want anything that's got wire in the ribbon or this velvet. It just makes it a lot harder to do. If they want the challenge, they can definitely go ahead and do it though. So let's move this out of the way. We need our space here. So we've got our length of ribbon. I'm going to put it shiny side up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold approximately in half and put it at a 90-degree angle. So it's going to be just like that. So I've got a 90-degree angle with my ribbon. And now all you're going to do is start folding it over. So I'm going to fold it over and then fold it over. And we're going to just continue like this until we're at the end of the ribbon. You'll see this is very easy to do, and it gives a much more personal touch, especially when we're trying to reduce use of plastics and we want to reuse. You could definitely reuse ribbons to do this. You can also use these as decoration on like a dress or on like hair clips. I used to be really into making my own hair clips and hair decorations, and we used to make these little flowers to stick on our hair decorations so they would match our dresses and look really cute. So we're getting near the end here. So you want to stop when you've got just like a couple of inches left. So you can see here, we've got like that. We've got our little folded thing. Now we're going to grab the two tails and we're going to twist them together. And then what happens when you let go is you end up with this cool little helix shape that looks really neat. So you could stop there. It looks cool, right? You could turn that into a little ornament or something. Or you're going to grab where you've twisted it, grab one of the legs, and you're just going to pull. There we go. And we end up with our little floret. Now we're going to grab a pipe cleaner. Oh, I got two stuck together here. And I'm just going to wrap a pipe cleaner around here. Secure my flower. There we go. In there. Now I can take this and put this on a present. I've got a few here. You know, you can make a little bouquet with them and just have a really nice personal touch for the holidays. I hope you enjoy this really simple craft. It's a lot of fun to do with your kids as just a fun thing to do over the holidays and make those presents that they're gifting a little more personal with their wrapping. Have a great day. If you want more steam-powered activities to do with your kids, visit steampoweredfamily.com. Bye for now.